Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to English lesson. You are going to learn with me the definite article and indefinite article. Okay? What is an article? Basically, articles are either definite or indefinite. They combine to a noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. So we have the definite article is the indefinite article are a and an. Now the indefinite article a or an. The article a or an is used when we don't specify the thing or people we are talking about. Examples: I met a friend. I work in a factory in New York. I borrowed a pencil from a passenger sitting next to me. The indefinite article a is used before consonant sound. Examples: a dog, a pilot, a teacher, a university. Now all the universities starts with the vowel U. It's not pronounced as such. It's pronounced as a consonant sound, university. The indefinite article N is used before a vowel sound. Examples: an engineer, an elephant, an athlete. The definite article the. It's used when the speaker talks about a specific object that both the person speaking and the listener know. Examples: the car over there is fast. The second example: the President of the United States is giving a speech tonight. So when we speak of something or someone for the first time, we use a or an. The next time we repeat that object, we use the definite article the. Examples: I live in a house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. The second example: I ate means I eat. This is in the past. In a Chinese restaurant. The restaurant was very good. No article. Do not use an article with countries, states, counties, or province, lakes, and mountains except when the country is a collection of states such as the United States. Examples: he lives in Washington near Mount Rainier. They live in northern British Columbia. They climbed Mount Everest. We don't normally use an article with plurals and uncountable nouns to talk about things in general. Examples: he writes books. She likes sweets. Do you like jazz music? She ate bread with butter in the morning. Countable and uncountable nouns using the article the. Using English articles with countable and uncountable nouns may be confusing. The can be used with countable nouns, or the article can be dropped entirely as mentioned above. 1. The two countries reached the peace after a long disasters disastrous war, some specific peace treaty, or the two countries reached peace after a long disastrous war. Any peace. 2. He drank the water. Some specific water, for example, the water his wife brought him from the kitchen. Or he drank water. Any water.
It is unusual to use a or an for uncountable nouns. You can't say I'd like a milk. A or an can be used only with countable nouns. Examples: I'd like a piece of cake. I lent him a book. I drank a cup of tea.
Indefinite and definite articles. The words a, an, and the are special adjectives called articles. Indefinite articles a, an. An used before singular count nouns beginning with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U, or vowel sounds. Examples: an apple, an elephant, an nephew, an orange. A used before singular count nouns beginning with consonants other than A, E, I, O, U. Examples: a stamp, a desk, a TV, a cup, a book.
Definite article the can be used before singular and plural count and noun count nouns.
Indefinite article used before singular nouns that are unspecified. Example: a pencil, an orange. Used before number collectives and some numbers. Example: a dozen and a gallon. Used before a singular noun followed by a restrictive modifier. Example: a girl who has wearing a yellow heart. Used with nouns to form adverbial phrases or quantity, amount, or degree. Example: I felt a bit depressed.
Definite article the used to indicate a noun that is definite or has been previously specified in the context. Example: please close the door. The second example: I like the clothes you gave me. Used to indicate a noun that is unique. Example: praise the Lord. The second example: the Columbia River is near here.
Used to designate a natural phenomenon. Examples: the night gets shorter in the summer. The second example: the wind is blowing so hard.
Used to refer to a time period. Example: I was very naive in the past. The second example: this song was very popular in the 90s, 80s. Used to indicate all the members of a family. Examples: I invited the bakers for dinner. The second example: this medicine was invented by the smith.
Now remember, the is used to indicate a specific or particular member of a group. For example, if you and your friends plan to see the newest James Bond movie and you want to ask if your friends would like to meet for dinner beforehand, you may say the following: do you want to grab dinner before the movie? The movie refers to the Bond film that you and your friends plan to see. The can also precede a singular definitive entity. The English island, for instance, is named such because the definite article indicates a specific touring company in Atlanta. In order to use the specific noun being referred to must be understood by both the speaker and the listener. The noun must have been established earlier in the conversation, or there must be widespread agreement or what the plus generic noun refers to, as the government usually refers to the federal government of the country you are located in or speaking about.
A or an, the English indefinite article, actually has two distinct forms, a and an. However, both forms have the same function, to indicate that you are speaking about any member of a group. Would you like to see a movie? A movie, any movie. The English island is an Atlanta-based touring company. An Atlanta-based touring company, it means there are multiple touring companies in Atlanta.
Additional rules of usage. The can be used with non-count nouns. An only be used with count nouns. Most locations and place names do not take an. However, rivers, points on the globe, broad geographical areas, deserts, forests, gulfs, and peninsulas are preceded by the. Names of nationalities and languages do not take an article unless you are referring the population of an area, the American people, the French populace, etc. I wish you understand this lesson. Thanks for watching.